Thank you to all of you. May you always be healthy and have a nice day. Enjoy the information from us. Toyota Veloz 2025 is suitable for modern families who want a vehicle with a combination of spacious space, advanced features, and stylish design. For more detailed information, visit the nearest Toyota dealer or Toyota's official website. Exterior, modern and elegant design. The 2025 Toyota Veloz comes with a bold and dynamic exterior design. The front grille uses a large chrome-accented design, combined with sleek LED headlights, full LED lights. The headlights, taillights, and DRL all use LED technology, increasing the visibility and aesthetics of the vehicle. Interior, premium cabin design. The interior is dominated by black with chrome accents or contrasting stitching, creating a modern impression. The materials used are of high quality, including soft-touch materials on several areas of the dashboard and doors. Comfortable seats. The first and second row seats are equipped with ergonomic backrests, and the third row can be folded for space flexibility. Rear, functional and aesthetic design. The rear is equipped with horizontal LED lights that blend together, giving a wide and futuristic impression. Spacious trunk. Large luggage capacity with the flexibility of folding the third row seats, ideal for long trips or carrying large items. Key features. 1. Performance and engine. 1.5L 4-cylinder dual VVTi engine. CVT transmission with 7-speed simulation, providing good fuel efficiency and response.